In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Calendar to your Coursera account. By doing this, you'll never miss a course deadline again, as all your upcoming deadlines and events will sync automatically. It's a pretty swift process, intended to be done in about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser. Any browser will do. Type Coursera in the search bar and hit enter. Once the search results appear, click on the Coursera link. This should take you to the Coursera homepage. Next, you'll need to log in to your Coursera account if you haven't already. Simply click on the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and make sure you gain access to your account. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard where all your courses are listed. To proceed, you'll need to find the Settings menu. This is usually accessed by clicking on your profile picture or your name, which is typically displayed in a corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear, offering various options. From this menu, locate and select the Settings menu. This section holds all of your account configurations and preferences. Within the Settings menu, search for an option labeled Calendar Sync. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to connect your Coursera account with external calendar services, making it easier to keep track of your coursework. Upon clicking Calendar Sync, you'll see an option to connect to Google Calendar. Select this option and prepare to be redirected. A new tab will open, guiding you to Google Calendar. This step ensures that Coursera can securely link with your Google account to share calendar data. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant Coursera permission to access and add events to your Google Calendar. You might be asked to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. It's important to review what permissions you're granting, as you'll be allowing Coursera to add calendar events related to your courses. Once you've successfully allowed the permissions, it's time to verify that everything worked as expected. Head over to your Google Calendar. On the left-hand side, among your list of calendars, you should now see a new calendar titled Coursera Calendar, or something similar. This calendar will automatically populate with your course deadlines and events, so you can stay organized and up to date at all times. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Google Calendar to your Coursera account. Now you can focus more on your learning, with the peace of mind knowing that all your important dates are automatically tracked. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.